Yes, I know that 1 and 1 are 2. Ain't no problem that I can't see through. As long as it's just me and you, my crazy little bees.
Alright, so an old playground got torn down and we're left with these beams. I'm going to use them for hive stands. Let's see how big they are. Going the other way just to raise them off the ground a little bit, although I don't really need to. I think I will, I don't know. And then have a gap in between, so 2 beams side by side to put the hives on. And then I'll have a gap just in the middle here between the 2 beams for my ratchet straps, which are really great if the bears do get in there. It holds the hives together. That's the plan. There's 2 beams over there, and there's 4 here, 15 feet. As a beekeeper, you just gotta be resourceful. So the plan is to use, I have 6 beams that are 7.5 inches thick and around 15 feet long. I'm gonna chop them into 5-foot lengths just so they're manageable with the offcuts, just to raise them off the ground a bit, and that's the plan. I reckon it'll be done sometime this week, so I'm just kind of filming the startup process of that because I have a bunch of nails and screws in the beams that need to be removed. Anyway, that's the plan, and I will film me putting them together and creating those 2 aisles. The safety aisle for beekeeping in the middle, and have my hives pointed out each direction so I'm not in front of the entrances. That's the plan. Game plan. Yes. Hi, it's me. So all the hardware has been taken out of these beams for my new hive stands. So I'm just gonna measure them and mark them up, and then our head maintenance man is going to chop them up for me and bring them to the bee yard, and then the next part of the video will be me setting it up and moving my hives. So I'm excited. Enjoy. This will work out pretty good because I needed a 10-foot hive stand, so I'll put 2 together. The reason why I'm cutting them up smaller is that they're just so heavy, and I want to be able to be an independent woman, so I want to be able to move them myself. So if these are all chopped up in 5-foot lengths, then I can maneuver them and build my hives, and then our stands. And then these parts here, the shorter bits, I'm going to use at the end to prop them off the ground. And there's 2 more over there. So I'll have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 18, 5 foot, hive stands. 18 5-foot length hive stands. So that's pretty big. I probably won't use them all, but pretty excellent.